If you are using SoundPeats Air 4 Pro and one earbud stops working, let's say left or the right earbud is not working, so first of all, you will have to start from inputting both earbuds inside this charging case. You have to also be sure that you recharge case for like 5 to 10 minutes by using USB-C cable. Then all you have to do is just to click and hold this button and take a look on this indicator. First of all, it will start blinking quickly, but we have to wait until it blinks two times with white, just like this. And now we can release. All we have to do right now is just to close this case, and after this indicator disappear, wait for it. There we go. Now we can open the case, remove both earbuds, and you can simply try to repair your earbuds inside your phone. So this is actually quite easy method to try to fix this. Tell me if it works, and right now please subscribe.